back to my channel. It's been a while, but I've got a little review. I've finally got my hands on one of these dust extractors, and I know I'm a bit late to the game, but I finally got one. Woohoo! So I've got a client coming today for a gel polish, and I'll have to remove the gel polish that she already has on. So I will go in with the e-file to remove most of the, well, the top layer especially, and some of the colour before I wrap them and with acetone. So we will be able to give this a little go and see how that sucks in the gel polish. So I will be back a little bit later. Excuse my dry hands. I will be back a little bit later to show you how it works. But in the meantime, I'm going to turn it on so you can hear what it sounds like. It's not that bad, actually. Not that bad. Now, I have got an air booster. So if I just, which I've got over this side, my air booster, I'm not going to put it fully in shot, but if I just turn on my air booster, do colour box. Hear that? I can still talk over the air booster. I can turn that off and turn this one back on. You can get a comparison. Now, it's slightly louder than my air booster, but it's still, you can still have a conversation over it. It blows out air from the side vents underneath. This all blows out air, so you've got to bear that in mind, that the air will be coming out around the sides. But I'm excited, so I will see you a bit later when my client comes and we'll give this a test run. Cool. Okay, totally forgot to record because I was gas bagging, because my client is actually one of my best friends that I did the gel polish for. And yeah, totally forgot to record. However, I've had a wee accident this morning and managed to shut my finger in the cupboard door and snap my nail. Now, it's not sore and it didn't break down too low, so it's perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt at all or anything, and it didn't split my real nail any like down to the nail bed or anything like that. It's just the tip. So I'm going to show you how this works by taking off this. I've taken off my gems already, and we'll file this down so that I can redo my nail, and you'll see how it works from here. I've sped the video up now whilst I take off the rest of my acrylic. I don't know what happened to the end of the video where I gave my thoughts of the dust extractor, so I'm just going to voice over this. My thoughts are that it's quite good considering the price of it. I can't remember if I said in the beginning of the video or not, but it was about £20 from AliExpress. You can get it from Amazon for 40. Excuse me, but that, you know, you would get it quicker then if you're happy to wait 2 weeks to, could be anything from 2 weeks to 2 months for anything to arrive from AliExpress. So if you're happy to wait, then it's pretty much half price, which is what I did. So yeah, considering the price of it, it's effective
It does the job. It's nowhere near as good as something like the Lady Twister, and it's not as powerful as my air booster, but it's much more compact. So I am actually going to be keeping this and using it and selling my air booster, because I'm changing my tables shortly and I will have less space, so it makes sense for me to sell the air booster and keep this one, as the air booster is a bigger unit. So yeah, those are my thoughts. It's easy to clean. You literally slide out this filter, and you can either go outside and tap it on a wall. Now, me living in England, it rains and it's cold a lot of the times. I don't do that. I actually just slide the filter out, get the hoover and hoover it off. The instructions say to blow it with a hairdryer from the underside, but that's just going to get dust everywhere in my opinion, and also tapping it outside, the dust is just going to be flying everywhere. So for me, it made sense to just get the hoover and hoover it out. That way the dust is not flying anywhere, it's going straight into the hoover, and then you slide it back in and all done. So that's what I think. So I hope you enjoyed this little review, and take care, and I'll see you next time, peeps. Bye.